pleasure for me tonight to give the 30-year badges and certificates to Sandy Bailey. With the 30-year badge. He's someone that's really very, very, very special to this chorus. She's at the beginning, and she's here tonight to receive Ollie. Would you like to come over? And then the Chairs Award that will be presented now to Rob.
It gives me great pleasure to present this. Is sat on my mantelpiece. I've looked at it lovingly for the past 12 months. Great pleasure to all this Pearl.
And I've got the first ever new badge. And thank you all for being so supportive and so wonderful while I've been in the chair.
Because I've got you an award. You are a rocking chair.